Well, as far as the short term is concerned, we're not seeing a lot in the way of precipitation or storms that are going to be coming into our area. So what I would say is we need to get rid of the month of February, move on to March, okay?
Yeah,
See what
I
we
agree.
can do. We got to get some more storms in this area. Now, we do have one that's going to be coming in over the weekend, likely on Sunday. But for right now, it's more wind than anything else. And this is the forecast for winds tomorrow. Now, I know you're getting kind of tired of it, even after just a couple of days, seems like weeks. And when you're looking at this for tomorrow, we're still going to be seeing some gusty winds, especially as we get into the afternoon. It's not going to affect the day a whole lot in the way of sunshine, because we're going to be getting sunshine through the day and our temperatures will be in the mid 40s. So just think of those winds, 10 to 20 miles an hour, some gusts a little stronger, which means wind chills will at least be down into the 30s or so. It's going to be a day that you need kind of a warm coat. Well, as you look at our latest satellite, we're going to go up here to the north. I was mentioning about that snow. Let's talk about that. So you can notice up through here, we do have a storm system that's developing a bit and could run down toward western Montana. And for most output on this, we haven't seen a whole lot really coming into the valley. Most of it is to our east. And that's still a very high likelihood. If you look at the futurecast, and this starts out tonight at 9:30, but let me just stop it tomorrow morning, okay, around 7 o'clock in the morning. This isn't heavy snow. This is probably more in the form of some light flurries between about 6 to about 9 o'clock in the morning as that starts to pull through. Now, in the mountains, even with this storm, they will be receiving snow, but we're looking at about a half an inch, McCall and Stanley. And not really anything at all for Haley, and I don't expect much here in the valleys. I just want to say, if you see some flurries or some light snow, that's all it's really about. It's not a part of a major system that's coming through about 6 to 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Now, temperatures are down. As you look at Twin Falls, 34 degrees, 33 degrees for Shoshone. These are the highs in the central mountains, and moving over to the western mountains, you notice temperatures will basically be in the 30s, so very cool. It's right for snow, we just need more moisture. Now, in the valley, we're close to what we had today. Our high in Boise was 47, and tomorrow we're about going to do that again. Same thing for Meridian Eagle. There's quite a few clouds, though, and some light snow in the morning, but I think we're going to break up to some wonderful sunshine, especially a little later in the afternoon. So temperature for tonight will be down to 30, so look for some cold conditions, right for snow in the morning. If we see a few flurries, temperatures will be up to about 47 degrees. Some spots could even see some very light snow. Accumulation doesn't look like it's going to be much. Thursday, 48. We're back up to 50 for Friday, 52 for Saturday. Here's the next storm that we're kind of hoping on to put some snow in the mountains, although right now we're not talking about heavy snow. And as you get into Monday and Tuesday of next week, after that storm, it cools a bit again for the last week of February into the lower 40s. Well, we're back with more news coming up here next.